Hi guys, you are welcome back again. We are going to solve for the value of x from this exponential equation. And the given equation is what? 2 raised to the power of x squared is equal to 16 raised to the power of x minus 1. To solve for the value of x, the first thing we are going to do is to try to make the base to be the same. So in the left hand side, we have 2 raised to the power of x squared, which is equal to 16 in index form to the base of 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 4. Because when you multiply 2 in 4 places, it's going to give us back 16. Then all raised to the power of x minus 1. Now the next thing we're going to do is to recall our power property of exponent. Since 2 is raised to 4 and all is raised to x minus 1, we can multiply the two power together. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of x squared, which is equal to 2. Then 4 multiplied by x is going to give us 4x. 4 multiplied by negative 1 is going to give us negative 4. Now we have successfully made the base to be the same. And recall one of the property of exponent. When the bases are the same, then we can cancel out the base and equate the power. So we can cancel out the bases because they are the same, then we equate the power. The first power is x squared, which is equal to the second power, 4x minus 4. As you can see this equation, we have quadratic equation. First, before we continue, let's write this equation in quadratic standard form, starting from the highest power, x to power 2, followed by the linear term. When we take this 4x back to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4x. Then when we take this minus 4, which is constant, to the left hand side become plus x, which is equal to 0. Because when a negative cross an equality sign become a positive, and when positive cross equality sign become negative. Now, in this quadratic equation, we have so many methods of solving quadratic equation, but the fastest way we are going to use is to consider this constant, which is 4. We look for 2 factors of 4. When we multiply, we get constant 4, and when we add together, we get the middle coefficient, which is negative 4. So 2 and 2 are factor of 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4, but 2 plus 2 is not going to give us negative 4. So we add negative, negative. Negative 2 multiply negative 2 is going to give us 4. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is going to give us negative 4. So this is the two number we are going to use. So what do? Open 2 brackets. Use 2 brackets to multiply itself. Equate it to 0. The variable we are looking for is x. So write x here. What are the two numbers? Negative 2, negative 2. So we write negative 2, negative 2. Now remember, this bracket they multiply itself and is equal to 0. That means one of these brackets must be 0, but we don't know which one of them is 0. So therefore, we are going to equate the first bracket, x minus 2 equal to 0, or the second bracket, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x now will be equal to, when we take this negative to this side, become positive 2, or x now will be equal to negative to the right hand side become positive 2. So therefore 2 is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.